In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, a Pandit youth participating in a protest against the permission to liquor sale in the territory has urged the members of its community to beware of the Modi government's communal agenda. Talking to media persons in Srinagar, he said that Muslim community stands by the Pandit brothers and there is no fear from the majority community. By restricting the Pandits in separate colonies, the Modi regime wants to draw a communal line between the Muslims and the Pandits and break affinity between the two. A committee formed by opposition parties against the inclusion of non-locals in the electoral rolls in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has announced to hold protests against the infringement on the Kashmiris franchise. Senior National Conference leader and MP Hasnain Masoodi told reporters, "Our protests on the roads will be peaceful and in accordance with our constitutional rights." People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said that the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, led by Narendra Modi, is taking detrimental steps to benefit its corporate friends at the cost of the local economy and traders in occupied territory. Mufti in a tweet said, "Anti-Jammu policies which started with ending Darbar move have been followed with another blow to business community in Jammu. Such detrimental steps are taken to benefit BJP's corporate friends at the cost of the local economy and traders." National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah at the meeting of the National Conference Committee Kashmir has said the situation on ground zero in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is contrary to the claims of the Modi government. Simranjit Singh Mann, president of Shiromani Akali Dal, was banned entry to Jammu and Kashmir by police at the border between Punjab and Jammu. After denying entry to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir by police, Simranjit Singh Mann has asked the Modi government, if everything is normal in the territory, then why he was disallowed entry. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference and its constituent organizations have strongly denounced the assault on APHC head office at Rajbagh in Srinagar by Hindutva goons with the backing of police and paramilitary forces and ensuing vandalism. Illegally detained APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, in a message from Srinagar Central Jail, while terming vandalism as a cowardly act, said that this shameful act depicts the frustration of fascist Modi regime.